Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. In today's episode, we are going to unbox a wireless keyboard which comes with the mic, with the mouse, and we'll also be unboxing a wired mouse also. So let's start. Okay then, the thing which we are going to cover today is a quantum keyboard, which is over here, and it comes with the mouse. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, for unboxing we just have to open this and open this like this. Before I do that, there are some features given over here, like it has a service and support number, noiseless operation, it has the rupee key on that, and it has many other functions which as soon as I open I'll go ahead and show you that. So in this box what you can see is this is the mouse and this is the keyboard, direct to the point, and there's a manual inside which is usual in all of the items. So we'll keep that aside. We'll take out all the items. First would be the mouse. We'll put this aside. So as you see, it's a quantum mouse. It has the scroll function in it, and this is to pair along with your computer or Android box, whatever you're using. I already have one of these for my Android boxes, and it's been running for more than a year without any problem. And if you see behind the mouse, you have the Bluetooth dongle which you have to connect to your PC or to your Android box or to your any device you want to. So that you have over here, and here you can open and put two AAA batteries for operation. When I put the battery last time, it's still lasting for me. It's been a year's time, and the battery backup in this is very good. I don't know why, but this one has a very good battery backup in it. And I'll also tell you the price, but before that we will just go ahead and remove this also over here. So this is the actual keyboard. We will set this aside so that I can show you clearly everything. So if you see over here, you have the rupee key over here, and you have various buttons over here which are not available in most of the keyboards. Like you have the pause and play button over here, you have a stop button, you have forward button, you have backward button, you have volume controls over here, plus and minus volume control, and you have various other functions which you can utilize. You also have a switch off, switch on button. By this you can go ahead and switch off or switch on your Android box or your any device which you're using. And it is a QWERTY key as usual as all the laptops, all the keyboards, and you have all the buttons, and it's a smooth finish also. As like the mouse, even this is a smooth finish. And in the back, when you see, you have a compartment over here where just a single battery is enough. And as I told you, I already have one of these, and it's lasting me for about a year's time. Till now I have not gone ahead and bought another battery. So you can notice how the battery backup is in this. Okay, and here you have the stand also, so that while operating you can operate easily without any back pain or anything like that with the mouse. So totally you need 3 pencil cells, that is AAA batteries, to operate with this keyboard and with this mouse. and it's very smooth over here. It can work on wooden surfaces, or you can go ahead and use um, a normal mouse pad also. Like I'll show you the mouse pad. Like this type of Logitech or any mouse pad you have, you can go ahead and keep over that and utilize your mouse also. And it's pretty smooth and it scrolls very well, and it's kind of good. So this is the wireless mouse which I was talking about, and the wireless keyboard. So secondary, we have one more item over here which I would be unboxing. That is the Zebronics wired mouse. That is only in case of emergency. That is in case you don't have a battery in your mouse or anything like that. For that purpose, you can go ahead and use this. Unboxing of this is very simple, and the mouse is very portable. This is all you have to know about the mouse. It's so simple. It's via USB connection direct to your laptop or to your desktop, and the scroll is smooth in this. Right click, left click, whatever. And it's an optical mouse, so you have the optical sensor behind. Just in the same case like this, you have an optical sensor behind, which you can go ahead and use. The price given over here for this is about 280 bucks. But actually, to be said, I bought it for 100 rupees. That's all it sells for in the market if you go ahead and buy that. And both these products, I bought it in the nearby shop. And this one, the MRP is around 900 for the keyboard and mouse. But you get it for 5 to 600 bucks maximum in any of the shops nearby or any electronic shops. In Amazon, it would be costly, so I would not suggest you to go ahead and buy from there these products. Here, you can test and buy that from the shop. It will be best for you. I hope this video helped you out in your decision of buying a wireless mouse or a wired mouse or even a keyboard, wireless keyboard. Because I do understand at the moment people are working from home and they do require some of the items like this, and going and ordering from outside, it is expensive, and nowadays everybody has to save up their money. So if you do want to save this up, like you can go for this one, this keyboard and this mouse for just about 600 bucks in the market, and for this you can go around 100 to 150 bucks max according to your state. You'll be able to go ahead and get that, and it will be useful for you. And if you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe for the channel and leave a thumbs up there so that you can support the channel, and that will be much appreciated. And what we'll be doing is in my next video, I'll be going ahead and also be unboxing a Frontech monitor, and we will also go ahead and test it out for you. Until next time, this is Kamal, and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you have a wonderful day.